When you see ministers stealing iron sheets, I think that's not a good way of having good wisdom. When you see people eating our taxes alone, they are selfish and greedy, some of them, not everybody. That's not good wisdom, because they're being selfish and denying other people's services and goods. Thieves that are even could be here in the public sector, stealing our money, please stop it. So those are bad manners. But also want to quietly remind the king that I think we need to get Omugo. Please think about that, because the miaka yamekura wetu tuanza kutunga Omugo kurera kurungu sima kike kurerire. But we also want to see you have Omugo. We want to appeal to the president to expedite the process of releasing properties of the kingdom. It has dragged on for some time, but we pray that that process will be expedited.
Nimpicha ganyira kwanga aba bantu bisaza lya Ntoroko arakutalbanizibwa amazing. Ninsaba government kuteka entegeka yo kwirukira abantu beitu abanyakuli mukubonabona obroire kwa slim bucharo kandi kiswaza kusanga nibwe yongera. Ninsaba buli muntu wena anyakuli hano abakuru bedini abembezi bona nemene yatori nywena kutwara kujunanizirwa kwijuka buli muntu wena ngo obroire bucharo kandi tuina kurwanisa.
The 29th coronation of Our Majesty the King of Tooro, Oyo Nyimba Kabamba Iguru, really emphasized that nobody should use the land issue, especially with the politicians, that there are many people who are going to use the land issue to tantalize and disorganize the work of the kingdom, that there is a Ministry of Land which is responsible for the land issues of kingdom, and nobody will be chased or evicted from the land of the kingdom. Our king also emphasized the issue of HIV, that HIV is rampant, is becoming too much in his kingdom, not only here, even the whole country, Uganda. Let us be very conscious and also try our level best to sensitize our community.
And to listen to his call, which he has always made. I will only talk about two. One is working hard to improve on household income. He's been a champion of that.